Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second part of the organic chemistry. In the last video, I discussed with you about alkanes. So in alkanes, I'll summarize it very quickly. General formula is CnH 2n plus 2. It forms only single bond, मतलब double bond का chance ही नहीं है. So let us form one also. So एक हम बना भी लेते हैं. Like if I take pentane. From ane we come to know that it's belong to alkane, so it has this general formula. Pent means 5, so that means value of n is 5. Put it in this formula and derive the formula C5H 2 into 5 plus 2 C5H12. As I told you, jitne bhi carbon ho, put them in a straight line, C, 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 C and C. Tetravalency we need, right? One bond, one bond, one bond. This is where you can put it. To complete the tetravalency of this carbon atom, you require 3 more bonds because 1 is already there. 2 are there. We require 2 more. Here we require 2 more bonds. Here we require 2 more bonds. And here we require 3 because only 1 was there. So we put 1, 2 and 3. So now see, count the hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 5 carbon are also there. Fine. So this is satisfying this also, satisfying the tetravalency of this also, satisfying this also. Now let us move on to the topic of today, that is alkenes. First thing that you need to know about alkenes is that they are saturated compounds. They are saturated compounds. They have general formula is CnH2n. N का value कैसे पता चलेगा? From meth, eth, probute, that you can see in the last video. And this last word, that is ene, like if I write methene, then the general formula will take is this. If I write methane, then the general formula which I'll take is this. ठीक है? So इस तरह से हमें ene से पता चलेगा किसका formula general वाला लेना है, और meth से we'll come to know the value of the N. For example, let me form the formula of the methene. Methene, CH2. So basically you see here, this compound actually does not exist because here carbon is not forming, tetravalency of the carbon is not being satisfied. So this is the formula, but this in actually it does not exist. Fine. So ये methane का हो गया. So नहीं बना तो we'll move on to ethene. Fine. See ethene. Ethene का formula what it will be? If I take n value 2, then C2H4. So one thing that you need to know in alkenes is that at least 2 carbon atoms will be there which will form a double bond. How double bond? एक ऐसा बॉन्ड आपको दिखाई देगा ही देगा. अगर एल्कीन की ये पहचान है कि 1 डबल बॉन्ड इज टू बी देयर, एक डबल बॉन्ड होना ही चाहिए, और एल्काइंस में एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होना चाहिए, सिर्फ एक. एटलीस्ट 2 कार्बन एटम supposed to form a double bond, and this is a saturated compound that I'll be telling you in the next video कि किस तरह से है. So at least 1. अब हमें ऐसी ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ रही है? अब खुद देखो, कार्बन हाइड्रोजन 4 है, तो लाइक नाउ at least 2 carbon atom needs to have. So हम यहाँ पे ही बना देते हैं because हमारे पास यहाँ पे 2 ही है सिर्फ. Now you see, we require 2 more hydrogens. I can put it here, or you can also put this down. No problems in that. Fine. It will be same only. Here also, number of the hydrogen 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon. See. This tetravalency of this carbon is complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this also it's complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. So bond is done. For this structure is done. Fine. So see, I put 1 carbon atom here, 1 here. I put a double bond because that's the property of alkene, that it has 1 double bond. And what about the other 2 bonds? That I'll be satisfying with the hydrogen. तो इसने क्या बोला? अच्छा, हमारे पास हाइड्रोजन नहीं है, सो विल एडजस्ट इन बिटवीन ऑनली. बट यहाँ पे जो डबल बॉन्ड होते हैं ना, ये बहुत जल्दी टूट जाता है. मतलब हाइड्रोजन नहीं सेटिस्फाई करता ना, तो इट इज़ वेरी अनकम्फर्टेबल. तो उसके बारे में विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, दैट इज सब्स्टिट्यूशन एंड एडिशन रिएक्शन. Let us form some more formulas. propene and butene. We'll do 2 more of these, of alkenes. Fine. So now you see propene. So prop means 3, means value of the N is 3. Ene means alkenes. General formula of alkenes is CnH2n. So value of N is 3, C3H. 2 into N, that is 2 into 3, C3H6. I put 3 carbon atoms here, like I used to put in alkenes. You can take any 2 carbon atom and put a double bond. इधर इनमें से बन नहीं सकता है, या इन दोनों में बनेगा, इन दोनों में बनेगा. So I am taking this. Fine, you can take this also, no problems. यहाँ सिंगल ही आएगा. Only one bond should be double. Okay. इस कार्बन एटम के 2 bonds are completed. So tetravalency means 4 bonds need to be there. So put 2 more bonds here of hydrogen. Fine. इसके 3 bonds are completed. Put 1 more bond of the hydrogen here. Now this has only 1 bond. So it requires 3 more bond in order to complete it tetravalency. 1, 2 and 3. Fine. See, count the number of hydrogen. Is it satisfying this? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this satisfying this? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Since alkenes, they have double bond. Is it having? Yes, it has double bond also. Now let us talk about butene. But means 4. Ene means alkenes. Alkenes have general formula CnH2n. But means 4, means value of N is 4. C4H, 2 into 4, 8. Okay, we'll put 4 carbon atoms like this. Fine. So, because it has less, hydrogen, so it adjusts in between only. You can form double bond here, you can form here, you can form here. I am forming it here. 2 bonds are done. It requires, बाकियों में single only. Here, 2 are done, 2 more are required. Put 2 more here. Here 3 are done, 1 only required because our focus is on tetravalency. 2 are done, we require 2 more, है ना? Here 3 are required. इसको ऊपर लिखो, नीचे लिखो, साइड पे लिखो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Count the number of hydrogen. Are they 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are they 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it having a double bond? Yes, so it's alkene. ठीक है. Pantene and hexene, those you can try as a practice. So alkenes, one thing that you need to remember is that they have at least 1 double bond. ठीक है. जनरल फॉर्मूला इज CnH2n. ये बताता है हमें नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स एंड दिस बेसिकली टेल्स अस इफ इट्स एल्कीन, एल्काइन और एल्काइन. ठीक है. एल्काइन विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो अलॉन्ग विद addition reaction and substitution reaction. Please hit the like button and subscribe button and also do comment. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.